Thinking about living in your home during your renovation or rehab? While living in the space can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it's totally manageable. I've done it a few times with my son and it was fine. We had a good time and he always knew he was going to get a special treat at the end of it to have in his room or to play with. First though, let's be clear on a few points. You do have water and a working bathroom. You do have HVAC or heat during this time. And please add a few weeks to the time you think you'll be doing this so that you make sure you'll be warm or cool even if things take longer. You will have electricity every day. It might need to be off for a few hours when contractors are working on specific items, but overall you've got it. If these things aren't available, we highly recommend not staying in the home until they are, okay? So let's go. We've got some basic tips for homeowners and families, then a few tips for those with kids that are wanting to do this, and even a couple to consider for pet owners. Here's a list of 10 essential tips to help homeowners thrive during their renovation project. 1. Designate a safe zone. Choose a room or area that will remain untouched by the renovation to serve as your stress-free zone where family can relax and escape from the chaos. Set up a temporary kitchen. Equip a small space with essentials like a microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker. We highly recommend an air fryer that gives some variety, and some storage area for dry goods, snacks, and things like that. Eating out frequently can be costly and draining, so having a makeshift kitchen helps maintain normalcy and saves money. Schedule wisely. Plan your renovations in phases, starting with the parts of the home not crucial to your daily routines. This minimizes disruptions and helps maintain a semblance of normal life. Dust management, a big one here. Before work begins, seal off construction areas with plastic sheeting and tape to prevent dust from spreading. Use air purifiers to keep the air clean, especially crucial if you have people with allergies or respiratory issues. And if that's the case, you might really want to rethink this before you decide, because there will be dust created. We also recommend that you have contractors keep their shoes off if they're coming into spaces or through spaces that they're not really working in. Never had issues with contractors agreeing to this, and it minimizes dust traipsing into other areas of the home and creating a mess everywhere. Now, dust will get in, but it doesn't need to get everywhere in a thick layer. Regular cleanup. This ties into the dust issue. Arrange for daily cleaning sessions to manage debris and dust. This not only makes living through it easier, but makes the cleanup at the end easier to do. Talk with your contractors about it and make sure that all contractors, subcontractors, and anyone working on the house cleans up after themselves every day. If not, talk with them about it and get it going, because that's important. Sound barriers. Use noise-canceling headphones and add temporary insulation like heavy curtains to dampen construction noise. This helps with maintaining the peace if you're working at home or have young children. And keep communicating. Maintain your lines of communication with your contractor. Get updates to know where they are and what they're going to be doing next, and to help get timing better to suit your family's schedule. Protect your belongings. Store furniture and valuables in a non-renovation zone or off-site storage. At a minimum, everything should be covered and wrapped in plastic and taped to keep dust and damage from them. It protects your items and keeps them out of the way. Stay flexible. Most important point here when you're doing this kind of work is to stay flexible. Unexpected issues might arise. Being flexible with your living arrangements and expectations can reduce stress and make the process smoother. Plan for some breaks. Schedule short vacations, or if the project's a long-term one, or weekend getaways if it's a shorter term one. Stepping away from the renovation site occasionally can reduce stress and give your family a much needed break. And it's fun. Everybody needs a little time away and break during this process. If you implement these tips, it will help manage the chaos and keep your family on their regular schedule and moving smoothly throughout the renovation. It's all about planning, flexibility, and maintaining a bit of normalcy. Now, when it comes to children, here are 3 additional tips specifically aimed at keeping kids safe and happy. Create a kid-friendly zone. Allocate a specific area where they can relax and be safely away from the renovation work. Make sure it's stocked with their favorite toys, books, and games to keep them entertained. This zone not only keeps them safe, but also maintains their routine and comfort. Get them involved in the process. Depending on their age, involve kids in simple decisions like choosing colors for their room or selecting accessories. It makes them feel included and excited about the changes in their home, and they might have a little more patience with the whole process and the time that it takes to do this. Maintain routines. Try to keep your children's routines as normal as possible. That means meal times, bedtimes, playtimes, activities. Consistency is key for children's well-being and can help them cope better with the disruption around them. Even amidst the chaos, a structured routine helps give them a sense of security and normalcy. Now, we didn't leave out our furry friends here. Here are 2 key tips for pet owners. First, secure a safe space for pets. Like kids, pets need a safe, quiet space away from the renovation. Choose a room that's far away from the noise and make it cozy with their favorite toys, bed, and other comforting items. Maintain routine and exercise. Keeping them up to date with their feeding schedule and their exercise routines is great to help them have a sense of calm and feel that their routine and everything is staying in line. If this doesn't work for them, if they're highly stressed dogs, or they're highly sensitive, you might want to consider having them stay with some family or friends during this time to make it easier for them as well as for you. All this can be also a stressful time for couples, but a couple ideas to help with that and to help keep things on an even keel during this time could include delegate and share responsibilities. Break down the renovation tasks and assign them according to each partner's strengths and preferences. Sharing the load can prevent resentment and ensure neither partner is overwhelmed. Mutual participation in the project can enhance a sense of teamwork. And plan date nights. Keep the romance alive by scheduling a regular date night away from the renovation site. Whether it's a dinner out, a movie night, or a walk in the park, taking a break from renovation chaos can provide much needed relaxation and connection. That's it. If you'd like more tips and ideas, please check out the links below. And if you're interested in saving 20 to 30% on your home renovation or rehab by being your own general contractor, please contact us at the link below or at team@netgainrealestate.com. Here's to making dreams come true, one home at a time.